the seat is higher. Yeah, you need a longer blade for this boat. Hup. Woo, it's nice. Definitely faster than OCC. Hup. Hup. You want me to turn? Hup.
Ela solta muito, né?
Sorry?
É muito solto.
Yeah, the wind's coming up. Hello guys, this is Ian from HYPR. Here we are today in beautiful Niterói, even raining. This is Rodrigo Velasquez, CEO and co-founder of Genesis V-3 that I'm extremely interested in. Like, I know most people think, okay, this is a flat water boat. We just took it out in flat water. Yes, it's super fast. This V3 is faster than most V6s and even OC6, right? You can see how beautiful this is. It's a 3-part boat. I love it. It's great for training. You can see it's assembled, separate bulkhead. Yeah. These are all. This boat weighs Rodrigo, this boat weighs about 65 kilos only. It's only 65 kilos, it's about 10.3 meters. About 10.3, yeah. Yeah, so I love it. It's very fast. You saw the videos, you guys. And you know, I can't say enough good about this. I would love to train with this at home, if anything, for sprints. And you will be hearing more from this. We are going to collaborate on a project. And so guys, you know how I hate spending time rubber strapping everything. So this is easy. Rodrigo is going to show you how easy this is. Unstrap the clamp. You're done, right? Same thing here. No rubber straps that can break. Yeah, it cannot be easier. Ta-da! Same thing here. Back Yaku, and he's gonna do that one, and it's done. Yeah, we're done. Yeah, ease of use. Pop it up, and it's aluminum, super light. It's okay. Push it down. Okay. Yep, and that's it. Same with here. Yep. And that's it. Awesome. So we get it. And we're done. Excellent.
The boat assembly.
Yeah. Yo, I did. I mentioned that already. You just bolt it all together. It can be shipped on the back of a pickup truck.
Is under 6 meters.
Yeah. So it's only one joint in two parts, right?
Yeah.
One joint. So technically you can put it in without a trailer.
You can live in above a car.
Yes. Put it on your roof rack. Just it's shorter than your ozone. It's shorter than your ozone one man, right?
Yeah.
It's shorter than your one man. So you can just put it on top of your truck rack and we're ready to go. One joint, yeah? And we're done. Yes. So you'll be hearing more about this soon. Take care, bro.
Obrigado.
Take care.